In this video I'll show you how you can seal the lids on cans that you opened and you want to keep the rest for later in the fridge or not in the fridge. If you have a can that you ate some of the contents from it and you want to store it in the fridge preferably, but how you keep it in the fridge? You can use lids like this ones. You try to save these plastic lids, different sizes, they could fit different jars or cans like this. These ones are pretty good. This red one fits tightly, even perfect, but there might be spillage and also they don't work on fruits. If you want to keep a half apple or a half grapefruit or lemon, you can't really put a lid on it like this. You could use the plastic film, the cling film, but that's not very eco-friendly and it's a bit wasteful. But these are reusable. You have these food covers. You can use food covers made out of silicone. You can even put them in the dishwasher, these things. Very flexible. Silicone is very flexible. And this one, we use it for lemons. It could be put on a lemon. If you make tea and you take a slice from a lemon to put in your tea, if you enjoy it like this, it's nice to be able to keep the lemon fresh in the fridge. These things can do that. This also can work on oranges, grapefruits, apples, jars. This big one for grapefruits, I guess. You could put a big fruit in it. It's a bit too large for this can. The red one fits the can perfectly. Look how I'm gonna set up the silicone food cover. It's a nice lid, reusable. That's it. It's done. And it's watertight actually. So if I flip this can, I was a bit worried here to actually try to do it. But yeah, no spillage. All the juices stay inside the can, they don't come out, spilling everywhere. I mean, you wouldn't store it upside down in the fridge.
I was a bit worried about this one.
Yeah.
Wow, it really works.
Yeah, it does work. And they're washable. No need to use cling film anymore, really, with these things. I mean, for small fruits, small sizes like this. There should be even bigger ones actually, the same model. This is a mango slices jar in syrup. A can. It's a perfect seal. Now it can stay in the fridge. And when I need it, you can even use this on yogurt jars, on cups, on glasses, something that you put in the fridge. Really anything of this size. Yeah, it really works. When using it on fruits, one tip is to remove the air from inside there, like you put it a bit from the edge so there is no oxidation on the fruit itself. Close fit. This is ready for the fridge now. And I can have another slice of this lemon tomorrow, and it will be the same freshness as it was today. It's a little bit difficult to put it on the lemon, but okay, once you get used to it, it's no big deal. If one of these food covers is not fitting, you can just use the next size. The red one usually fits on all of them. All the cans and jars, yogurt covers, yogurt jars. The blue one you can use for a cup even, or a large fruit, grapefruit, or something else. A bowl, it's too big for it. But a nice cup. You could put the red one on the cup also, but yeah. There are many kinds of these food covers, many models, options. Just get whichever you find easier locally. I will put links in the description also with the food covers, so you can find more options, but you can get them from wherever you like. No more cling film, less waste, really. They can even sit on top of each other. Hopefully this is helpful. Let me know in the comment section below how you cover your food, or if you don't cover it, you just put it as it is in the fridge. Or if you use a can, you just eat the whole can, so you don't need to store it anywhere. Thanks for watching.